Step into the forest. Leave your worries behind. Here, the air is clean. The light is dappled. Trees reach for the sky. A sense of peace washes over you. You are home. The forest is a different world. Time moves slowly here. The chaos of life fades away. You are free to simply be. Look around. Every shade of green surrounds you. Sunlight dances on leaves, casting intricate patterns on the forest floor. Tiny flowers in hues of pink, yellow and white dot the ground like nature's confetti. Nature's beauty unfolds in a symphony of colours and textures, inviting you to pause and take it all in. Listen closely. Birdsong fills the air, a melodious chorus that seems to come from every direction. Each bird contributes its unique tune, creating a harmonious blend that is both soothing and invigorating. The leaves rustle in the breeze, their gentle swaying adding a soft rhythmic backdrop to the birds' melodies. A gentle stream trickles nearby, its water sparkling in the dappled sunlight. The sound of the stream is like nature's lullaby, calming and constant. The forest whispers its secrets, each sound a piece of a larger, intricate puzzle. Breathe deeply. The air is fresh and clean, a refreshing change from the hustle and bustle of city life. The scent of pine needles fills your lungs, a crisp and invigorating aroma that awakens your senses. The damp earth beneath your feet has its own rich, earthy scent, mingling with the delicate fragrance of wildflowers. Each breath you take is a reminder of the forest's vitality and the intricate web of life that thrives here. Your senses come alive in this natural sanctuary. The vibrant colours, the harmonious sounds and the invigorating scents all work together to create an experience that is both grounding and uplifting. As you stand here, surrounded by nature's splendour, you feel a deep connection to the world around you. The forest is not just a collection of trees and plants. It is a living, breathing entity that nurtures and sustains countless forms of life. Each element of the forest, from the tallest tree to the tiniest insect, plays a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of this ecosystem. The sunlight that filters through the leaves provides energy for photosynthesis, fueling the growth of plants that in turn support a myriad of creatures. The flowers that dot the forest floor are not just beautiful to look at, they are vital sources of nectar for pollinators like bees and butterflies. These pollinators in turn help to propagate the plants, ensuring the continued vitality of the forest. The birds that fill the air with their songs are also essential to the forest's health. They help to control insect populations, disperse seeds and contribute to the overall biodiversity of the area. The stream that winds its way through the forest is a lifeline for many species, providing water for drinking and habitats for aquatic creatures. Its gentle flow also helps to shape the landscape, carving out channels and nourishing the soil. As you immerse yourself in this environment, you begin to appreciate the intricate connections that bind all these elements together. The forest is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of nature, a reminder of the beauty and complexity of the world we live in. Take a moment to savor this experience. Let the sights, sounds and scents of the forest wash over you, grounding you in the present moment. In this place, you are part of something much larger than yourself, a participant in the ongoing dance of life. As you leave the forest, carry this sense of connection with you. Remember that the natural world is always there, waiting to welcome you back. Whether you return to this forest or explore new ones, the sights, sounds and scents of nature will always be there to rejuvenate your spirit and remind you of the beauty that surrounds us all. The forest is a place of healing. Stress melts away in its embrace. Your mind quiets. Your body relaxes. Studies show that time in nature is beneficial. It lowers blood pressure. It reduces anxiety. It improves mood. The forest is a natural remedy. Section 4. Forest. Denizens. A glimpse into their world. Look for signs of life. A squirrel scampers up a tree. A deer peeks from behind a bush. Birds flit through the branches. The forest is teeming with creatures. Insects hum. Frogs croak. Owls hoot in the distance. A hidden world thrives around you. Section 5. Finding serenity. Tips for forest immersion. Forest immersion, also known as forest bathing, is a practice that encourages you to slow down and connect deeply with nature. It's about more than just walking through the woods, it's about truly experiencing the forest with all your senses. Here are some tips to help you make the most of your time in the forest. First, walk slowly. This isn't a race or a hike to get your heart rate up. Instead, take your time and move at a leisurely pace. As you walk, observe your surroundings. Notice the different shades of green in the leaves, the way the sunlight filters through the branches, and the intricate patterns on the bark of the trees. Listen to the sounds of nature. Close your eyes for a moment and focus on the symphony around you. Hear the rustling of leaves, the chirping of birds, and the distant sound of a flowing stream. These natural sounds can be incredibly soothing and help you feel more connected to the environment. Breathe deeply and relax. Take long, slow breaths, inhaling the fresh forest air. Feel the coolness of the air as it enters your lungs and the warmth as you exhale. Deep breathing can help calm your mind and body, making it easier to let go of stress and tension. Let the forest work its magic. Nature has a way of healing and rejuvenating us if we allow it. Find a comfortable spot to sit down. It could be a fallen log, a large rock, or simply a patch of soft moss. Sit quietly and close your eyes. Feel the earth beneath you, grounding you and providing a sense of stability. Listen to the wind in the trees. The gentle rustling of leaves can be incredibly calming. Imagine the wind carrying away your worries and bringing you a sense of peace. Be present in this moment. Let go of any thoughts about the past or future and focus on the here and now. Forest immersion is a wonderful way to reconnect with nature and find inner peace. By following these tips, you can enhance your experience and truly appreciate the beauty and tranquility of the forest. So next time you find yourself in a forest, take a moment to slow down, breathe deeply, and let nature work its magic. Section 6. Guardians of tranquility, protecting our forests. Forests are precious. They provide oxygen. They clean our air and water. They are home to countless species. We must protect them. We can all do our part. Leave no trace when you visit. Support organizations that protect forests. Spread the word about their importance. Let us preserve these tranquil sanctuaries for ourselves and for generations to come. The forest is a gift. Let us cherish it. Forests are not just a collection of trees. They are complex ecosystems that support a vast array of life. From the tiniest insects to the largest mammals, every creature plays a role in maintaining the balance of these natural habitats. The trees themselves are living organisms that communicate with each other through an intricate network of roots and fungi, often referred to as the wood wide web. This underground network allows trees to share nutrients and even warn each other of potential dangers, such as insect infestations or diseases. The biodiversity within forests is astounding. Birds, mammals, reptiles, and countless other species rely on forests for shelter, food, and breeding grounds. Each species, no matter how small, contributes to the overall health of the forest. For example, birds help control insect populations, while mammals like deer and bears play a role in seed dispersal. The loss of even a single species can have a ripple effect, disrupting the delicate balance of the ecosystem. Human activities have a significant impact on forests. Deforestation, pollution, and climate change are some of the biggest threats. However, we also have the power to make a positive difference. Simple actions, such as practicing responsible tourism, can go a long way. When visiting forests, always stick to marked trails to minimize your impact on the environment. Avoid picking plants or disturbing wildlife. Carry out all your trash and leave the area as you found it. Supporting organisations that work to protect forests is another way to contribute. Many non-profits and community groups are dedicated to conservation efforts, from reforestation projects to educational programs that raise awareness about the importance of forests. Volunteering your time or donating to these organisations can have a lasting impact. Additionally, advocating for policies that protect natural habitats and reduce carbon emissions can help mitigate the effects of climate change on forests. Spreading the word about the importance of forests is crucial. Use social media platforms to share information and raise awareness. Participate in community meetings and workshops to learn more and educate others. The more people understand the value of forests, the more likely they are to take action to protect them. Education is a powerful tool in the fight to preserve our natural world. Let us preserve these tranquil sanctuaries. For ourselves and for generations to come, the forest is a gift. Let us cherish it. By taking small, meaningful steps, we can ensure that these beautiful, life-sustaining ecosystems continue to thrive. Together, we can be the guardians of tranquility, protecting our forests for the future.